Alright. 79 or something? I don't know. Alright.
Go. Keep dodging. Got it.
I'm gonna hit that ledge, guys. Bro, heavy traffic, bro. Heavy traffic. I'm going to hit this ledge, guys. Can you get off it? Sweet, thanks. Oh, man. Dude, I haven't said anything offensive, bro. It's not my first rodeo. We got this now. Fucking hectic.
So hectic.
Ah.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. It's kind of cool with the kids if we get through it.
Okay, go.
Go, bro.
Did you ever think of these skating parks this good when you first started?
Bro, I don't know. Probably not.
I wish I was younger.
I didn't have enough. I hardly have enough speed for the manual.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Yep. I'll leave it there.
can we do? Well, we could actually. We could do the stand-up grind. No, let's and then that.
Yeah.
Want to do that?
Dodging bikes.
All right.
Where are you going? You know, help you, I then stand up.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yes.
Ready? That would look sick. And it will start with the frontside 50 on the little hubba.
Okay.
On this
Yes,
side.
Adam.
But then after a while, you're like, you've got to come back up, right? Like,
Yeah.
Put me forward.
Yeah.
There's yours.